Let's start with a black nail. Add some diagonal lines using white spider gel. This gives us that cool galaxy grid. Now draw a circle like a planet that begins and ends within the spider lines on one side. Apply blooming gel just in the center of the circle, but don't cure it yet. We want it juicy and ready to blend. With a liner brush, swirl in some white gel. Then a bit of shiny disco gel to create your glowing planet. Cure it once you're happy. While it's still sticky, gently rub two pigment colors over the planet to give it a glassy vibe and a gorgeous shine. If you love dreamy nails like this, hit that like button. Use a liner and Milky Top Coat to add a soft shadow around the edge of the planet. It adds a dreamy depth. Apply a layer of Glossy Top Coat, but hold off on curing for now. Now sprinkle some gold shimmer powder in a few spots, just like I show you here. Then cure it to lock in the sparkle. Add a few white highlights around the planet with your liner brush to make the design pop even more. Time for the final details. Add 1 or 2 tiny stars nearby for that full galaxy effect. Dab a little Milky Top Coat just on the planet to give it a soft hazy glow. Love that dreamy finish. Seal everything with a shiny top coat and you're done. Cosmic nails complete. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute nail ideas.